But yeah, anyways, today we're gonna be working on the dialog system. Like I already said, I have the basics here started. It's not, of course, gonna be open on play automatically. But yeah. Okay, so here's the script, by the way, that I have. Now I want to check something. If I add a new integer, variable line number, type integer, and if set this to be line number, will it give me out errors? Let's clear this. Doesn't seem to be giving out errors, which is good. So we can actually use this. Now, if I actually go to the text file and wait, yeah, if I do it like this, then if I make line number 1, I know I'm doing a function update right now. I'm just testing it out. Whoops, that's because I'm streaming right now, what you saw, if you're watching this on YouTube. Anyways, if we start now, it should say this is line 1. Yeah, it is. But if I switch this to the line number to be 0, it should leave a blank because it actually yeah, it actually counts this as line 0 and then the second one is line 1 and stuff like that. Okay, so let's see what do we get if we write line 0. Let's test it. We get blank. So let's actually work on the GUI design a bit here so you can test it out better. First off, let's move it to the, let's have it actually centered on the right center, right middle actually. Okay, and let's have it minus, this is 200 by 200, so 110. Yeah, that leaves us 10 pixels or units, whatever it is. Okay, yeah, I mean it is in the way of the sword, but that's not gonna be its final location. Okay, so now sorry about that, it's my phone. And here it goes again. Okay, so anyways, let's go UE and button. So I'm gonna change the button texture into the ones I have here. This one I'm pretty sure is the one I use. Change this text on it and the font. Okay, just wait a second here. I gotta answer something on my phone. Okay, so best fit. Let's actually move it a bit up like this, and let's have the button centered at the bottom of this. Bottom center. What happened to the button? Oh, I just moved the text. You need to move the whole button. Okay, here we go. Yeah, let's put it about here. Okay, as for the text, let's have it be 140 by 100 probably. Let's see if we center it in the very middle. 160 maybe. I'm trying not to have it go in these areas, and the height could probably be, well, 100 is actually pretty good. We're gonna have it be best fit, and the font is gonna be this one. Okay, so next thing we gotta do is make the button click change. Yeah, by the way, I left this empty area up here because I will have the NPC title basically up there. Anyways, actually I guess we'll have two buttons. One's gonna be called next. Let's actually make it in width 50ish. 60 maybe. You know what, let's just go 80. 45 by 35, sure. And let's copy that over. And I think this should be then minus 45, yeah. Okay, and this one's gonna be back. F2 back. And also change the text in it. Now, as I already said, this isn't the final design for the text GUI. It's gonna go through a lot more changes. But yeah, this is just the testing version. Okay, so let's see. We need to edit this interactable for the back, or actually I need to copy this over because I can't do the squiggly brackets for some reason in monodevelop. But yeah, let's do if line number is less than 0, then line number is equal to 0. And we're gonna actually have that in function update. Okay, so we got the back button, like of using that set. Now let's see. We don't want this to be here. We also want to have an empty function here. So I'm just gonna copy this over and rename this into empty, and it's not gonna have anything in it. So anyways, let's go into next. This is for the next button, and here we're gonna go line number plus equals line number. Oh yeah, and let's actually do it in startup. Give line number a value. Line number equals 0. That's gonna be the start. But yeah, let's see. Okay, then we have to do the same thing for back, so we're just gonna copy over the next. And line number minus equals line number. Whoops, again dragged that into instead of this. Okay, so I think I put that all in the main. Let's actually drag the dialog canvas also into the main. Okay, so here. What do we need? Oh yeah, we need to go into the buttons and add a function. Drag main. NPC talk. And you can't see that this because it's off, but I'm gonna go next. Then here I'll do the same. Drag main over. And here I think you'll actually be able to see back. So this should add to the lines now. Of course I need to have my cursor shown. Why isn't it actually displaying the text? Let's have it not maximize on play. What did I delete here that I shouldn't have? Function update. I don't know, everything seems okay. Oh wait. Yeah, that's not supposed to be line number but 1. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, this is line 1, line 2, line 3. And it gives us errors because there's no line 4, which is actually good because if the player still tries to go next, he won't be able to. But yeah, I actually don't need this empty line, so let's just save this also. So, what could we do next? Let's actually see something. Size is 3. Okay. And where is this size determined here? I need to organize this a bit better. Okay, so this is gonna be the update, which is where I do usually most of my work. So let's go if line number. I'm pretty sure just typing in dialog lines. And this actually isn't how I like to spell dialog. Actually, let's see it because it's shorter. Dot size. Is there size? Let's try size. Where is Unity? Here it is. Nope, unknown. Okay, so let's just try to actually, if we, I think we actually need to go from text file. Text file dot is. Nope, this doesn't have anything that could help us. Can we get anything else from here? Well, I mean, we could theoretically just copy this over. Maybe that should work. This, by the way, oh nope. Yeah, okay, let's just leave it getting us errors for now. Because I need to like get a way to see how many lines there are in the code. Okay. But the dialog line has a size in it. Let's see, dialog line string go to declaration. Nope. Yeah. Okay, let me just quickly see something. By the way, this stream is gonna have a couple of these moments where I take a couple of minutes to do something. Let's actually try this. Ah no, wait. Not sure this is actually how you do it, but we go lines equals to new integer, and then within here I'm gonna need these brackets. And copy this over. Can we do this? And yeah, I was just spamming. Whoops. Hopefully that's the only error. And this actually works. So we need a variable lines nope, cannot convert string to integer. Could we go maybe like text file dot, let's see, what do we have here? Let's not deal with this now. And I don't need this. I'm gonna try and figure that out some other time. But yeah. Okay, so we have the next in the bag. This is pretty much done. Let us save it. Save. Get rid of this error. Okay, and yeah, of course now we're gonna be getting. You get errors every time you click? Nope. It's spamming them. But doesn't seem to be affecting their frame rate since I got it locked at 30. Yeah, something I could do actually is just write the length of the write it myself into the MPC file, which actually I guess that's something you could work on right now, an MPC script. So let's quickly go into the editor, exit 2D mode because the basic design is done. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna edit that later actually. Okay, so where could we add a talking system? Do I have any models in my here? I don't think I do. I could add a runestone, but that will be kinda stupid. I don't think we have any models here. So what we could do, okay, yeah, let's copy the healer, move it, let's see, let's place it 30, 40 by -20. That's probably good enough. Okay. So what I want to be able to do is yeah, basically all of this, these I wanted to get from another script that's gonna be basically on each NPC. So yeah. Wait a second. Okay, basically I'm gonna have a script that's gonna contain all of these variables. I mean the text file and another variable which is gonna be the NPC name, and I'm gonna have that basically, yeah, separate for each NPC. So I'm gonna delete the healer script, add component, new script, NPC. Let's call it NPC data. And I'll be back in a second. I just gotta turn on the light because it's getting dark. Okay, I'm back. So, NPC data. Let's open that up. Let's actually rename this into from NPC Convo into talk test. This is actually in Latin, I'm pretty sure. Okay, anyways, getting sidetracked by Latin. So what variables do we need here? We need a variable text file of type text file. Wait, is it actually capitalized? No, text asset. Okay. Let's actually see something. Oh yeah, I can actually make this public static, and I'm gonna need another public static string. Type string. Nope, I'm pretty sure capital S. Okay, so variable text file of type text asset and variable name of type. What's the type? Yeah, string. Sorry about this, I'm thinking about other stuff while doing this. Okay, so I'm actually gonna copy over some stuff from my other script since I don't feel like typing it all in on trigger. Yeah, copy, paste it. I'm gonna keep these two functions in case I need to do something there. If info.attack player. Oh yeah, something else we want to set here is actually, where is it better to do that? Let's actually just do it here. Variable canvas of type canvas. Okay. So yeah, what we want to do here is canvas dot enabled equals true. Actually, let's finish everything here first. Now this part I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Basically, go npc tag dot text file is equal to text file. Hopefully this works. And npc tag dot name is equal to name. Come on, please don't give me any errors. Whoops. Wait. Let's change this then to npc name. Okay, and here too. And probably means that we're better off changing the ones here to also npc name. Okay, save this, and where does it say shield? Oh, this part. Okay, clear, unknown identifier, press F. Where is press F? Oh, this one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, I think I can just attach Yeah, I think I can just attach the canvas to the script first. So dialog. Why isn't it setting a canvas? NPC data. Oh, I see. So the canvas has to be here. Then can I drag it? Yeah. What is going wrong here? Hmm. You know what? Let's actually delete this and just drag the canvas into each NPC separately. I mean, that's no big task. Are we gonna get the errors again? Nope. Yeah, we are. I don't get what the problem here is. Oh, I get it. Now we don't have a text file attached. That might have been a small problem. Let's actually attach the talk test dialog into here. Now we shouldn't be getting the error. We're still getting it actually. Let's see. Main. What is the problem? Oh yeah, we didn't enter the collision box, so it still doesn't register. Seems like I have a bunch of stuff that needs working here. First of all, let's can we create a text file within this Unity editor itself? We can't. Wonder why is that? I mean, text files should be pretty easy to create. Okay, I'll just copy this one over. And that isn't possible either. Okay, we can make a duplicate. Let's call this talk default. Have another variable called talk start type, not start type text asset. Okay, and then here we're gonna have text file. Where is it? Oh, it's right. So yeah, public. I mean, it is same as. Actually, let's put this text start so I don't get confused later on. The same as text start. And as for this, I'm gonna just make it dot dot dot. So all is saved, okay. So if I drag, let's see, into the main object, the tog default. Wait, this, yeah, this is the one that starts. Whoops, again with that. Okay, so now, hopefully no error. Nope, no error. And what about if we go into the collider? It doesn't change. Do we have everything set up here? We do. Talk test. Whoops, why I don't need a healer anymore probably. NPC data. Okay, so this should update the lines, I mean. Okay, let's see it like this then. Let's go function update. I'm gonna need to copy these over. If collide yeah, I can delete these. Basically if it's colliding, and then else like that. Okay, so if it's colliding, we want it to do this. Else we basically just want to set the canvas to false. Oh yeah, another thing we want to do then is we also want to reset the line number. So we want this also public static. Okay, now we need a variable called collide. Type boolean, not boolean. And trigger exit. Collide is equal to false. So let's send the information now. I don't think I actually saved this one, have I? Nope. That's why I'm getting the error. Yeah, no more error. Now this should be disabled by default. And as we go into here, but the lines don't switch. Let's try a different approach then. Or actually, Control C, Control V, text file. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, I think we actually have to copy this over. Basically, go like this. And here we also want to go. Wait, Control Z Z. Collide, enter. Text. Okay, so here actually just collide enter is okay. Okay, so here we want to have let's see, text of type string, and then I need the two thingies. And I don't think I'll actually need this part then. No, it's actually of type text asset. Okay, so text file is equal to text. Okay, save this part. And then here we want to have it go npc talk dot collide enter. And here we want to send it text file. Will this work? What isn't okay now? Public function. Just give me a minute now. Okay, so let's see what could be the problem here. Just as I said already, give me a second here. Oh, I think we actually gotta do send a message or whatever that's called. So what we gotta do here is let's see. let's see, function, or let's try a variable. Okay, and if we go here, main dot, yes, there may be a send message from here. I doubt there is. There is send message. Okay, so what we want to do is, let's see. I think this is how it goes, but I'm not sure. What if I said this to? Well, I think actually if it's that, let's try that actually. Okay, so delete all of this for a second. And is equal to text file. Nope, let's not do that. No, I think we can actually just go get component. Wait, yeah, NPC data. And the component name is yeah, let me just see something here. Okay, I don't think I should be getting any errors here. And I need to change this to function. Might be actually easier to just use raycast to activate this and to call the function. I'm not sure. Let's try this then. Dot text file is equal to there's gonna be a lot of failing by the way today. Okay, everything's saved. Come on, clear all the errors. Okay, so main transform. Oops. Let's actually head back on Convo test. Wait. I need to fix this. I don't want it to regen while the game is paused. Nope, it's not working for some reason. Yeah. Clear it. Let me actually open the melee system script for a second here. Okay, so this might clarify things a bit. Why don't you want to switch? I think my mono develop just crashed or something. Nope, it didn't crash. It just isn't responding. Let's turn it off and on again. Okay, so here if I go main dot send message. Let's see what do you do here. Come on, please tell me that this is enough. No errors, please. Okay, no errors. Whoops. Get rid of this pointer for now. Yeah, you also need to enable and disable. Nope. Collide Enter has no receiver. What does this mean? Let's see, we have a main object here. Maybe like this. Let's actually yeah, I actually don't need to move him closer, the angel. Not the angel. Not the angel, the statue. Okay, let's look into the melee script again. And into this one. Is this gonna give us errors? Get component. Component is going to strings, I'm pretty sure. Okay, please work now. I'm getting tired of this. Almost been streaming for an hour and still haven't figured this out. Work? Nope. What's happening in this? Main. Text file is target default. Let's see what are our options here. Send message should probably be enough. Actually, let's go like this and then add dot transform maybe here. Can we actually use get component here? Yeah. Nope. Okay, so it's in the so we need to set up a receiver somehow. Whatever, however you do that, I'm not sure. Let's remove this because it's an empty script. Okay, so let me just search this. Yeah, I'm not finding any useful information. One last thing I could try, I guess. Dot. Wait, collide enter. Did I name it like this here? Yeah, collide enter. Let's just broadcast the message then. Wait, yeah, it is. Okay, clear. Where does the error? Oh, need to close it off. Okay, no errors. I might have to ask on Unity Answers how to do this. Whoops, I got turned around. And it works. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Wow. Okay, this took a really long time to do actually. And now we need to do the same thing for name. Let's see, can we actually do it in the same one? This is just a string, right? We don't need any public variables. String, yeah. Oh, it's lowercase NPC. I finally got it working. Actually, let's put this one with a capital N. Okay, then here, can we just broadcast it like this again? Oh, we need to leave this public static line number. Okay. There goes the error. And let's see, is it working now? Seriously? Oh. Yeah, we need two parameters. So we actually then don't need this line, which is good. Now how do we add a new parameter here? Come on, show me the options. Is it just like comma NPC name? No appropriate version of. Maybe like this then. Since it does say it requires two. Let me search it then for the other thing too. Hmm. Okay, so one way we could do it is, I'm just looking this online now, by the way, on my phone. We can add a variable uh, array type array. Is this gonna get us any errors, or do they need to add something else here? Let's see. Nope, no errors. Okay. Then function start, we want the array dot push can we add a text file to an array? And array dot push, let's see, npc name. And then here have it be array type array. And then how do we unpack it? Yeah, I'm trying to find a way to unwrap it. But let's see, if we just go array dot, not array list, just array lowercase a dot push text file. Will this work or no pair? Wait. NPC talk 5139, whatever that means. Oh, this part. What do you mean integer? Text file isn't an integer. You know what? Let's save this like that. Leave this. Put this back to text file. Backpedal a bit more. Okay. And here we're actually gonna put in a new function. Function collide name. And here we're gonna put the string in. Okay, copy this line over. And here then we gotta copy this over. Okay, let's see. Broadcast message collide name. I'm pretty sure I just named it. I mean, yeah, collide name. Okay, let's then give it a name. Let's call it healer. Okay, and we actually need to edit this part. Go into 2D view. New text. And here, of course, best fit. Change the font. Let's actually make this not be bolded. Yeah, like that. Okay. So let's see. This is gonna be placed here. That's probably good as a good size. Change this to move it up here and change it to name. Okay, so we need another new variable in the NPC talk now. Okay, whoops, not that. Now I can't find the size. This is a pretty good size, I guess. Okay, so where do we deal with our function updates? So what did we call it again? Name text. Did we do everything okay here? Oh, we called it. I typed in that instead of var. Okay, so dot text is equal to NPC name. Okay, is everything gonna be working now? Wait. Where's the problem now? NPC name, yeah, it's a string. I don't see the problem then. Maybe because we don't have a oh. Yeah, let's try actually adding this in. Name text. And go again. Yeah, we're no longer getting the errors. But let's see, will it display the correct name? It's not displaying a name at all. Where's the error now? Yeah. Oh, Clyde name, not text file, but NPC name. That's what you get when you just copy it over. Alright, we do have the name. Now another thing I want to test is if I go next to line 3, step out, step back in, it does reset to line 1, good. So yeah, I would say this is pretty good for a stream. I mean, I've been streaming for an hour and 20 minutes, which is way more than I planned. But yeah, I managed to get the basic dialogue system done, which is something I tried back in August, spent like 5 or 6 hours on it, and basically didn't have anything. But yeah, what particles are Plingo life particles? Okay. Anyways, before I lose the electricity or something, let's just save it in case. But yeah, finally got this figured out. I might do more dev streams next week, not sure yet. But yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.